Hello everyone, this is Chiranjeevi here from geeksniper.com, and today we are here to not talk about any gadget or animes. Today I'm here to do an unboxing of this. So what is this? Basically, this is a custom made mousepad. I have ordered it online from InkedGaming.com. So what is InkedGaming.com? InkedGaming.com is nothing but an online store where you can have gaming accessory, a mousepad or hoodie or sleeves or anything. They have their own stock design that you can purchase, and also you have an option to add your design and get what you want. So I've been looking to replace this ROG Sith gaming mousepad. It's huge. It's an XL gaming mousepad, and if in case you want this ROG Sith gaming mousepad, you can have it, but the shipping charges is yours. I'm giving it for free. So I'll also add a form in the description of this video wherein you can have your details, address, and everything. So now, without wasting any time, let's go ahead and check how this gaming mousepad is from InkedGaming. So here it is, guys. So this is the mousepad. I have ordered 3 of them, 2 of the stock design and 1 I have of the Geek Sniper logo on it. So let's see how it looks like. Wow. So I have got over 3 mouse pads. We'll check everything one by one. Oh my god, look at this. This looks too dope. So this it has a very nice texture on it, and it is not that thick as the ROG Sith, but it is really worth it, you know, until and it's working fine. It gives you that look that you want. What else do you need, man? So this is one. I really like the design. Let me show you. Check this out. So this is how the first gaming mousepad looks like. This. Check at the details, guys. So it's their stock design they have. My opinion, worth it. Now let's check the second one. Whoa. How many of you have seen this How to Train the Dragon movie? Oh, Pokemon. Check this out. This looks so detailed, man. The same thing, man. It's not that thick as the ROG Sith, and ROG Sith is really expensive, to be frank, but it has the same rubber quality as they have, and it has the same texture quality. But look at the design. This looks really good. So, and the last one is the custom one that I'll show you, and this is it. Man, this looks nice, man. Check this out. So this is the Geek Sniper logo. If in case you like this mousepad, hit a thumbs up button, and if in case you like any one of those, just let me know on the comment section below. So guys, you did saw all 3 mousepads, and I loved every one of them, especially the custom made gaming mousepad. Also I am planning to give away one of those. Most probably I'll give the How to Train Your Dragon one. Just let me know in the comment below. Have your email ID. I'll have a form in the description. Give me your email ID and everything. Shipping charges is your, guys, because this is not a sponsored video. It is a pure organic video that I've bought a gaming mousepad on InkedGaming.com. Opened it, liked it. 2 giveaways on this particular video. One of ROG Sith gaming mousepad XL, and another one is this. So let me know how you like this video. If in case you want more videos like this, let me know in the comment below. Let's see, let's hope for the best.